The Mysterious Blue Feather. Once upon a time, in the quiet town of Willowbrook, lived a curious girl named Maya. Maya loved exploring the woods behind her house, where tall trees whispered secrets and birds sang songs. Only she seemed to understand. One sunny afternoon, Maya set off with her backpack, a notebook, and a magnifying glass. She was determined to find something new for her book of wonders, where she recorded all her discoveries. As she wandered deeper into the woods, she noticed something unusual, glinting in the sunlight. It was a feather bright blue, shimmering with hints of silver. Maya had never seen a bird with such a feather before. She picked it up and turned it over in her hands. Where did you come from? She wondered aloud. Suddenly, a soft rustling came from the bushes. Out hopped a small bird, no bigger than her fist, with feathers as blue as the sky and eyes that sparkled with curiosity. The bird chirped and hopped closer to Maya, tilting its head as if asking for something. Maya realized the feather must belong to the bird. Is this yours? She asked gently, holding out the feather. The bird chirped excitedly and fluttered its wings. Carefully, Maya placed the feather near the bird, who picked it up with its beak. The bird did a little dance, hopping in a circle, and then, to Maya's amazement, it began arranging the feather back into its wing. Suddenly, the bird's blue feathers glowed even brighter, and a gentle breeze swirled around them. Maya felt a warm, happy feeling in her heart. The bird chirped a sweet melody, as if saying, Thank you. Before flying away, the bird dropped a tiny silver acorn at Maya's feet. She picked it up and noticed it had a tiny engraving: Kindness brings magic. Maya smiled. Tucking the acorn into her pocket, she watched as the blue bird soared high into the sky, its feathers sparkling in the sunlight. That evening, Maya added the silver acorn to her book of wonders and wrote about her adventure. She realized that sometimes the most magical discoveries happen when you help someone in need. From that day on, Maya always looked for ways to be kind because she knew that kindness, just like magic, had a way of coming back to you when you least expected it. If you like the story, don't forget.